Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, how to make a Dr. Pepper pulled pork. And we're going to cook that bad boy twice. We're going to pressure cook it and then we're going to season it up. And these are the seasonings that we're going to use. We're going to use some of this CREOLE butter right here. We're going to use some of this smoked hickory. We're going to use some of this Famous Day rub. And then when we pull it, we're going to use some of this barbecue sauce. All right. And here's the buns that I have right here. All right. Some classic, what is it? Oh, KAISER buns, okay? Or rolls, whatever you want to call it, hamburger rolls. All right. So this is a pork shoulder right here. This is about 8.5 pounds right here. A pork shoulder butt. All right, so I'm just go ahead and rinse this up, and then we're gonna put it in this pressure cooker over here, and we're gonna go ahead and cook it for an hour. And then after that, I'm gonna show you guys what we'll be doing next. Hold up, I'll see you guys in a minute. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, I got the pork roast up in here, the pork butt, shoulder, whatever you want to call it, it's in there. You guys can see that. It's all up in there. All right, now I did have a fat cap on it, so I did take that out. This mother was probably about 2 pounds, at least 1.5 pounds. So that's pretty thick. So I cut that off because I don't want a lot of fat in mine like that. So I'm gonna put this in the garbage, take that garbage out so it won't stink up the house. So now we're gonna come in here with our Dr. Pepper, all right? We're just gonna fill this up till it covers the meat. All right, pour it right on top of it. The best Dr. Pepper pulled pork ever. Guaranteed to try it. You don't need all that seasoning, I'm telling you right now. You can if you want to. All right, it's up to the line. And I got about like 1/4 of that left over. So, and it's an 8-quart pressure cooker. All right, so that's how much I got left over, guys. All right, can't really see it, but that's it on that. We're just gonna put the lid on top of this bad boy. We're gonna cook this for a good hour, and then we're gonna take it out, let it cool down, and we're gonna season it up and put all them other seasoning on there. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get it going. Wrong button. I always push the wrong button for some odd reason. I do not know. 1 hour, okay? And it's gonna kick on by itself. All right, guys. So I'm gonna let this go, and I'll see you guys in a minute. You know. Okay, fam. I am back. It's been resting for about a good hour. So that's how that looks right there. All right, it's already done. It's done enough to pull. But I want to put it in the oven to get a little char on it. So I'm going to do some of this before it won't dry out. I'm going to squeeze some of that in there. We're going to cook this for about a good 20 minutes, that's all. All right, put a little of this smoke on there. I already put a little bit, like 2 tablespoons on there while it was resting. Just put a little bit on there. Put a little razzle dazzle. All right, and we're gonna come with this seasoning. But before we do that, we're going to pour a little of this stuff on top of here. Just a little bit. So the seasoning can stick to it. All right. That's it. We're going to put this in there. Let this go for about 20 minutes, and I'll show you how that looks. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. That's how it looks when it's done. Sorry about that. Alright, so pulled pork is called pulled pork for a reason. People normally pull it with their hand like so. Now you can shred it up if you want to, but I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to chop it up, put it on the bun with some cheese and barbecue sauce. Alright. That's all we're doing. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish doing this, and I'll show you guys how it looks on the bun. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm finally done putting together this Dr. Pepper BBQ Pulled Pork. And yes, I did put some coleslaw. I made me some coleslaw with mine. If you guys want me to show you a coleslaw recipe, I will leave a link over here. So guys, make sure you go check out that. And it's followed by a pulled pork as well. Alright, so this is that up close. And I put some cheese on it too, the top and the bottom. You may not be able to see that, but it's on there. So that's optional. You know, my family cheese lovers, so. But yeah. Alright fam, if you guys like this video, you know what to do. Hit the bell right there. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. VEL DOGGS Kitchen. Happy cooking. Much love.